Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my video series on searching algorithms in artificial intelligence. In this video, we are going to solve a practical example of hill climbing, a fundamental local search algorithm in artificial intelligence. The goal is to select items for a delivery drone while respecting a weight limit and maximizing total value. We have four items. Item A, weight 2 kg, value $6. Item B with weight 3 and value 8, item C with weight 4 and value 7, and item D with weight 5 and value 12. The drone has a strict weight limit of 9 kg, and the goal is to select the combination of items that stays within that limit while maximizing the total value of the delivery. Here we represent each state, that is the combination of items, as a binary string A, B, C and D. 1 means the item is included and 0 means the item is left behind. 1001 means we are carrying items A and D. Now let's talk about the evaluation function. If the total weight stays within the capacity, the score equals the total value. If the total weight exceeds the capacity, the score becomes 0. To generate new states or neighbors, we will flip each bit one by one. For example, if we flip the first bit, we get 0010. If we flip the second bit, we get 1110, and so on. So by flipping a bit, we have generated 4 new states. Here we have generated a random initial state, that is 0100. It means only the item B is carried. The weight is 3 and the evaluation value is 8. From here, we can generate 4 new states by flipping each bit. If we flip the first bit, we get 1100, which means items A and B are included. The total weight is 3 plus 2, 5, and the total value is 6 plus 8, that is 14. By flipping the second bit, we can generate another state, that is 0000, which means no item is selected. So its evaluation value would be 0. By flipping the third bit, we get 0110, which means item B and C are selected. The total weight would be 7 and total value would be 15. After flipping the last bit, we get 0101. The total weight is 8 and the total value is 20. Now the hill climbing will select the node with the maximum value, which is 20. From this state, we can generate 3 new states. If we flip the first bit, we get 1101, which means items A, B and D are selected. But in this case, the total weight exceeds 9, which means the value is 0. If we flip the second bit, we get the state 0001. It has a weight of 5 and a value of 12. And if we flip the third bit, we get 0111. Again, the weight exceeds the limit of 9. The weight becomes 12, due to which the value becomes 0. Now the expanded states has 3 neighbors with the value 0, 12 and 0. And its current value is 20. So it does not get the better value than itself. So it will stay here and it will be the solution. So in our solution, the items B and D are carried. The total weight becomes 8 kg and the total value becomes $20. Is it the optimal solution or are we stuck in local maxima? Let's check this state. If we select the item A, B and C, we get the weight of 8 kg with a value of $21, which is better than the previous state. So our solution is not optimal and we are stuck in local maxima. So hill climbing improves the solution step by step by exploring the neighbors and moving to a better state until no better neighbor exists. Can we optimize this problem using a different local search algorithm such as genetic algorithm? Here we have 4 randomly generated individuals. Your task is to evaluate their fitness and apply genetic algorithms, and let me know in comments below in how many iterations Did you get the optimal solution? See you in the next video.